Alright, this is an unboxing for the Logitech K810 Bluetooth Illuminated keyboard. This is one of their newer keyboards that are actually specifically designed for the Windows 8 and Windows RT platforms. This is the outside of the box, the base of the box with what's in the box. You get your Bluetooth Illuminated keyboard, USB charging cable, and user documentation. This is compatible with Windows 7 obviously and Windows 8. And I'm sure it's probably compatible with Apple computers as well. This is the back of the box. It has even a QR code to learn more. Side of the box with a profile of the keyboard. Top of the box. And the other side. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Alright. So as you see here, you're presented with the actual keyboard at the top. It's in plastic. Very reminiscent of what Apple does with their products. This is the back of the box. Here's your on and off connect button. And this keyboard comes built in with a rechargeable battery, so you don't even have to worry about replacing batteries, or even rechargeable batteries for that matter. Below is where all the user guide, software, and USB connection is. And this is just the empty box. This is a pretty cool design. It has like a little arrow here, so it kind of fans out to open. And as we open it up, you see we're presented with a USB cable. And it's actually pretty nice. They have a really nice clip management system here to keep your cable pretty neat. That's what the connector looks like. And a standard USB cable on the other end. This is your manual documentation. It has important information along with the setup guide information as well for the K810. That back in. The keyboard actually features pretty nice upgraded features compared to other keyboards on the market. Logitech decided to use some higher-end materials in their products here. I guess trying to gear toward the higher-end user, people who want a higher class product but who don't want to pay a lot. This keyboard retails for about $80, $100, I'm sorry, and it has brushed aluminum on the edges. Laser etched illuminated keys, so these keys are laser etched for precision. It also features a feature called easy fast switching. This keyboard is designed to work with tablets, computers, laptops, anything you really want to. The problem is that every time you want to move this keyboard to another location or another device, you have to switch the Bluetooth and repair it. This keyboard supports up to 3 devices, and you can easily switch back between them. The buttons are up at the top here. You have 1, 2, and 3. So you can just program these buttons, so this could be your tablet, computer, and something else. That's actually quite nice. Obviously this keyboard does illuminate, and all the keys, all the letters themselves illuminate as well. This is the side profile. Looks like there's a little hold switch here. And that's the keyboard lit up. And there's the 3 indicators blinking. Overall, there's, really nothing to this keyboard. There's your charging dock, which you can use. You can keep it plugged in, or you can leave it unplugged. But it does charge while using it as well. And then there's your connect button. It's very lightweight, very durable. I like the brushed aluminum. I think that's a really nice feature. Gives a really high quality feel to this actual keyboard. But this is the unboxing for the Logitech K810 Bluetooth Illuminated keyboard. Thanks for watching.